Alright, I am going to video this. Try to video and try to take some pictures. Alright, so so basically, with the whipping off the lake, certain spots are pounded and certain spots didn't get pounded because of the way the wind was blowing. So it'd be interesting to see what the totals were. Oh, get your cameras out! I'm videotaping!
Are you home alone?
Yeah. I've got them. They're across the street. Hey! Me too! We're all taking pictures! The dog can't find a spot to go potty. I know, I'm gonna have to find my shovel. Jake, I need my shovel! Oh, okay. Oh, Patty, I was up at 5:30 watching them! It was crazy! Hold on, I'm coming! I was up at 5:30 watching them, Patty, with the I thought for sure they wouldn't make it through. What? I know. I saw that. I'm telling you that
We got the wall.
the wall over here was so crazy. I couldn't believe they got. I didn't think they'd get through.
Oh, Matt got through it.
No, this guy, he would come in, he would do a little, then he'd back up, then he'd do more.
Yoshi.
Poor Yoshi needs to go to the bathroom. Oh, the big dog's coming to get him. Isn't this insane? I mean, yeah, fine, 1967, but this is the worst we've ever seen in our lifetime.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Okay, look at Paul's house. I'm thinking the reason they went through,
in the back
because Mom said they haven't come down their street. I'm like, because we've got Paulus and Loomis here, they came through.